Are you tired of dry skin, frizzy hair, or just want that spa-like shower experience at home? Today, we're taking a close look at the Eskiin Showerhead, a product that claims to transform your shower with filtered water, better pressure, and even skin and hair benefits. But the big question is it legit or just another scam? The Eskiin Showerhead promises a lot. It uses a 15-layer filtration system designed to remove chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities from your water. The filter uses materials like KDF 55, calcium sulfite, and coconut activated carbon, which are actually effective in improving water quality. On top of that, the company claims it can save up to 30% on water and double your water pressure, which sounds amazing if true. So, does it actually work? Some users report noticeable improvements: softer skin, shinier hair, reduced brassiness and blonde hair, and even relief from skin irritation caused by hard water. One person even claimed it helped with skin tags. If these experiences are anything to go by, it could be a game changer for your shower routine. However, there are some red flags. The company lists a physical address, but it's a shared business space, which raises questions about legitimacy. Their own website boasts over 10,000 five-star reviews, but these can't be independently verified. On Amazon, it has 127 reviews with a 4.3-star rating, which is decent, but on Trustpilot, there are only 4 reviews averaging 3.4 stars, and some users reported shady return practices. So, what's the bottom line? The Eskiin Showerhead might be worth trying, especially if you order through Amazon where you have buyer protection. Many users absolutely love it, but some see little to no difference. With mixed reviews and a lack of transparency, it's smart to approach with caution. If you're curious and want to improve your shower experience without taking a huge risk, this could be worth a shot. Just make sure you order from a verified source and manage your expectations.